Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. So in today's video, I'm giving you a routine of how I do my manicure whilst I'm in quarantine. As you can see right now, I've started off by using my nail polish remover with a dry, damp cotton pad. And what I want to do right now is just remove all of that white nail polish off of my nails. Now guys, this nail polish is absolutely bomb. Literally, I've just damped it with the cotton pad, placed it on my nail, left it there for a few seconds, if not that, and wipe it off just like this. Guys, it's like magic. I haven't edited, I haven't done anything like that. It literally just comes off like a dream. So now moving on, in this bowl I've applied some lukewarm water as well as some coconut oil and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Now I have done this to help moisturize and strengthen my nails and also to soften up my cuticles, just to prep them to get ready for the next step. So next up guys, I'm now going to use a product by Hansen, and this is my instant cuticle remover product. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. What I like to do is apply this all over my cuticles on each finger, and what it does, it helps to break down excess cuticles and calluses within seconds. Guys, it is amazing. Honestly, it softens up my cuticles, just getting ready for me to use my cuticle pusher and nipper. So now I'm going to use this dual-ended cuticle pusher, and the side in which I'm going to use is the wider end, which helps to push back my cuticles. So guys, this is a step that I absolutely love when I'm doing my manicure. It's using my Cuticle Nippers. Now guys, this product is absolutely amazing for just tidying up your cuticles, to be quite honest with you. It is quite sharp, the blades are sharp, so you do have to use a steady hand and just take your time with it as well. Now what I like to do is start from one side of my nail and work my way around slowly. As I said guys, the blades are quite sharp, so just take your time when you're doing this step. So guys, please don't get grossed out by this, but this is all of the gunk from my cuticles. I literally just wipe them off in a cotton pad and literally soak all the tools in which I've used whilst doing my manicure in some Barbicide. Now as you can see, my nails are looking absolutely amazing right now. I love how clean they look. So we're now going to move on to nail file. Now guys, please do not go back and forth like that whilst filing your nails. You are actually destroying your nails and making them weaker. Just go in one direction and gently file your nails. Okay you guys, so now we're just going to move on to buffing my nails. Now I'm not going to use each one of these steps. I am going to use side 4 and I am going to use side 5. Side 4 is just to help smoothen out my rigid nails, and side 5 is just to smooth it out even further. Just like my nail file, just use it in one direction guys when you are buffing your nails. So now I'm going to use the Cutex Hydrating Cuticle Oil. Guys, this product is absolutely amazing. It helps to nourish and moisturize my cuticles. It does contain vitamin E and sweet almond oil. It is just absolutely amazing guys. It really does moisturize my cuticles, especially after I have just used my Cuticle Nippers. Now I am going to massage this into my nail as well as the surrounding skin around it. Following this step, I am going to wash my hands with some lukewarm water and then damp dry my nails. Now guys, I am going to keep my nails quite natural today. I will apply some nail polish on a later date, but just wanted to show you how I do my normal everyday routine, or if not that, every other day routine at home. I like to use the Sally Hansen strengthening nail. Guys, I actually do have weak nails, so this product right here really does help strengthen them and harden them to prevent them from breaking. I love the sheen in which this gives my nails. Look at that. I absolutely love how my nails are looking right now, you guys, but we are not quite finished. Moving on to the last step, I like to use a product from Love From Ghana, which is their shea butter. Guys, this product is absolutely amazing. It really does moisturize my skin, making it feel so lovely and soft. And the best thing about it, it's 100% natural. I will definitely leave all of their information down in the description box below. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye.